Go to website secure.phpltd.com. Fill up your username and password and then click enter. Click menu button on the left top here and then click on deposit button. Select your wallet ID. Enter your amount you want to deposit here. Then, click on Create Deposit Request button here. You will see System created reference number for your request. Please copy or write down your reference number. You will need to paste it on the next step. You will need to open a new tab on your browser and go to bit.ly/mini-depot for deposit amount below $90. If deposit amount $100 and above, go to bit.ly/medium-depot. If deposit amount $1,000 and above, go to bit.ly/large depot. In this video, we will proceed to mini deposit. Quantity 1 here means $10. 2 means $20. 4 means $40. We will proceed with the quantity 1 because we already create deposit request amount $10. You will need to paste reference number you have copied before the additional information here. And then, fill up all details required here. There are two options of payment method here. 1. By using credit or debit card. 2. By using online internet banking. We will proceed using Maybank Internet Banking by click on Maybank here. And then click on Pay here. You will be directed to online internet banking. Log in and proceed the payment. After payment have been made, click on Return to FPX. You will see receipt of your payment have been made. You need to screenshot the receipt. Now, you need to return to your deposit tab. And then, you need to upload the receipt here. The process will take within 3 hours to approve the deposit. Refresh the page, and your transaction status will change to approved. You can check your wallet. Congratulations! You can now start trading by transfer to MT4 account first. If you have any inquiries, please contact the number given in the description below. Thank you for watching.